Stop pouring oil. Seriously. One of these 6 sprayers cuts calories by 70%, and number 4 almost burned my kitchen down. Let's go. Number 1. Evo 18-ounce Reusable Oil Sprayer. The Evo 18-ounce Reusable Oil Sprayer would make a super handy addition to any kitchen. It does what it needs to do super well while being easy to use. During testing, the Evo Oil Sprayer impressed with its consistency. We found that just a few spritzes evenly coat an entire baking sheet of veggies. Like other oil sprays by Evo, this one sprays in vertical and horizontal fan patterns for optimum coverage and control. You'll know exactly how much oil is being deposited and exactly where it's going. The plastic also allows you to see the oil inside, so you know when it needs to be refilled. If you plan to use your oil mister for grilling, it's extremely important to have something durable. The last thing you want is broken glass on your patio. This spray bottle fits the bill since it's made from plastic. Don't worry, it's latex BPA and DHP free. One another important characteristic, at a whopping 18 ounces, the sprayer is nice and large, so you can use it for spritzing large cuts of meat with more than just oil. Think vinegar sprays for pork and more. The minor downside is that the plastic version of the sprayer isn't dishwasher safe, but a quick sudsy rinse will clean it right up. Number 2. Misto Oil Sprayer. The Misto sprayer is about as close as you'll get to the commercial aerosol sprayers, without the addition of any potentially harmful propellants. Point 2. It's easy to use. The pump-style cap requires just 2 steps for operation. Simply pump the container and then press the valve on the pressurized sprayer to release the mist. It's highly versatile, too. You can use the sprayer for all of your favorite oils, as well as vinegar, citrus juice, sherry, or Marsala wine. If there's any downside, it's that this particular sprayer has quite a few parts to clean. Thankfully, you only need to give it a thorough scrub down every 6 to 8 weeks. Plus, the Misto is available in other materials besides frosted glass, including brushed aluminum and tri-tan plastic. Size, 2 by 7.75 inches. Oil volume, 7 ounces. Spray type, pressurized hand pump. Materials, frosted glass bottle, also in brushed aluminum and plastic. Number 3. Wayeept Oil Spritzer. There's a lot to love about this sleek oil sprayer. The sprayer has a host of great design features, especially for the budget-friendly price: a slim and easy-to-hold food-grade glass bottle, a stainless steel nozzle, and an anti-slide design. There's no need to spend extra time pumping either. To operate the oil mister, all you have to do is gently press the button. The result is a fine mist that perfectly coats food, whether you're spraying olive oil or another cooking oil, vinegar, or soy sauce. To add to the value, the sprayer also comes with 2 cleaning brushes, one small and one large, as well as an additional tube to increase the item's usable lifespan. Size, 1.6 by 7 inches. Oil volume, 4 ounces. Spray type, pressurized hand pump. Materials, glass bottle, stainless steel sprayer. Number 4. Evo Stainless Steel 16-ounce Oil Sprayer. The Evo Stainless Steel Oil Mister is a very popular option because it delivers a nice, even coat of cooking oil without the hassle of pumping before spraying. And, no, it doesn't require any propellants either. The 18/8 stainless steel bottle with a BPA-free plastic sprayer has an easy-to-use ergonomic trigger. Simply pull once to release the cooking oil inside the bottle. Even better, each pull releases a very reliable 1/4 teaspoon of oil, so you know exactly how much you're depositing onto your food or cooking surface. Coverage is also nice and even, since the nozzle is specially designed to spray in a vertical or horizontal fan spray pattern that allows for more control and more precise application. Another trait to love is that this oil mister has a very large 16-ounce capacity, so avid cooks won't have to constantly refill the bottle. The larger size comes with a larger price tag, but this isn't a deal breaker for us. Size, 3.5 by 7.75 inches. Oil volume, 16 ounces. Spray type, trigger spray nozzle. Materials, stainless steel bottle, plastic sprayer. Number 5. NORBASE Olive Oil Sprayer. If one of the primary reasons you want an oil sprayer is to evenly dress salads or veggies, we love the idea of this 2-pack. It affords you the opportunity to fill a second bottle with your favorite vinegar. Of course, you could also use the set for 2 different types of cooking oil, if you regularly cook with more than one type. Either way, it's a nice luxury to have 2 different bottles on hand, no cleaning, drying, or refilling necessary. We love that the glass bottle has measurements on the side, which makes it extremely easy to whip up your favorite dressing directly in the bottle if you prefer something a little more flavorful than a duo of olive oil and vinegar. The set also comes with a basting brush, a cleaning brush, and a funnel for easy filling, an excellent value. Keep in mind that the tops are slightly heavy, meaning the bottles can fall over. Size, 2 by 7.5 inches, oil volume, 3 ounces, spray type, trigger spray nozzle, materials, glass bottle, stainless steel sprayer. Number 6. TrendPlain Olive Oil Dispenser and Sprayer. Sometimes you need to spray oil in a fine mist, but sometimes you need to pour a larger amount at once. This particular oil dispenser allows you to do both. The glass bottle holds up to 16 ounces of oil and has a convenient wide mouth for easy refilling. It even has a handle for an easy grip, though some users feel that the handle is a bit thin and flimsy. The genius of this oil dispenser comes in the lid, a small lever right about the handle. Press it quickly for a fine mist spray or press it slower for a thin stream, and if you want to pour a larger amount of oil, simply tilt the dispenser forward. The lid has a gravity-sensing feature that opens up the cap to let the oil out, and don't worry about spills or leaks because there's a silicone gasket to keep things tidy. Size, 4 by 7 inches, oil volume, 16 ounces, spray type, thumb press lever to spray, tilt to pour, materials, glass bottle, plastic top. Links for all 6 are in the description. Like, share, subscribe, and check timestamps to jump straight to the winner. See you next video.